Alrighty guys, it is currently 5 in the morning. Just got to the airport and I've already been abandoned. I'm in charge of the suitcases and that's about it. I'm very sick. I took 600 milligrams of Advil this morning and we're hoping to pass out on the plane. Let you know when we get to the gate. Deuces. Alright guys, we made it to the plane. Mom's here.
Almost not.
Jordan's here. We were literally like 2 minutes away from missing the final call, but we made it. Crammed in the sardines. We'll see you when we take off. We made it to Orlando.
In Orlando, there's something for everyone. Enjoy your visit. Everything that makes Orlando.
That's probably why they have the handrails, huh? They're leaving me behind. I'm still sicker than a freaking dog, bruh. Sicker than a dog. Anyways, see you in a little bit. Alrighty, everybody. My mom is over there picking up the car rentals. Jordan is ready to eat. I am also very ready to eat and still sick. Yeah, I can't taste anything. You.
Guess what they found in his bag?
Good gun?
A bullet.
Oh my gosh.
So Brett goes, so we're sitting there looking at us like we're criminals.
Well, yeah, you're not supposed to bring a bullet to an airport. We made it, everybody. In the rental.
We did.
Alright guys, Gus editing the video here. I didn't get any of the clips on the first day, so what we did was we went to Disney Springs and watched the Circus Olay act at theater, and then we went back to our resort that we came home, which is we're going to skip to right now for day 1. I did miss all that recording, but just to clear that up, we have day 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 coming up. Thank you for making it this far. Make sure to like and subscribe before I continue. My voice sounds so... I wish it was like this all the time. Also, one sec.
I think we're exhausted. Alright guys, day 1, we got a little bit of glow going, it looks like. You didn't tell me my nose got it. Anyways, we got Jordan, we got the infotainment, and we got Mom over in the other bed. Good night, everybody. Alrighty, good morning, everybody. Or should I say, good afternoon. It's day number 2 in Florida. Didn't just wake up. We got our breakfast from Dunkin' Donuts. Let me show you what we're working with here. We're gonna be going to a beach today. This is the view we got on day 1. And today we're going to a beach, gonna chillax. As you can tell, I'm still very sick. Okay. So we can't hear you. Babe, cover your ears.
Okay, so I was just thinking. Hey!
What was that?
For the sick man, make sure you put it in your bag, brother.
I'm gonna be drinking a lot of that tonight. Gonna be getting faded off that good stuff. Holy cow.
Stay here.
I really did get some.
4, you said, right? Yeah.
We left the hotel. Goodbye. What was it called again?
Sheridan.
The Sheridan. For those of you who missed it, my mom clogged the...
Jerk.
I'm just kidding. You didn't clog it if it flushed the second time.
Hey, I'm staying regular, which I'm never regular, so that's a huge success.
I don't want to hear this. Alrighty guys, I'm slowly regretting not bringing a hat. And I broke my sunglasses yesterday, but I'm gonna show you what we're working with here. I also sound so yucky. Anyways, here's the amazing view we have. Isn't this sick? At least I think it is. Maybe if you live in Florida, you don't really give a crap. But for me, coming from Wisconsin, it does not get old ever. Sand is very fucking hot though. The dogs are burning right now. Look at that view. Literally can't see anything.
On the shell? Oh, that's pretty.
Alright guys, we're going underneath. Alright, here we go. Alright, Jordan is going to make a big splash.
We're gonna deep dive.
As soon as one of the big waves come, you gotta just do it. We're gonna do it together. I said don't hesitate.
I'm hesitating. So much sand.
That's it. Alright guys, I'm just sitting in my chair waiting for the other two to come back, and apparently there's a rocket launch happening. And you I don't know if you'll be able to see this in post, but so all the footage I just got of the actual space launch, you couldn't see shit. So yeah, it was cool though. They did the same thing SpaceX did. They launched it and it landed like all in a matter of time. Check this freaking shit out, man. I'm sorry, but my soul animal is Florida. My goodness, I must be in the loony bin because I am just cracked out of my mind. Also, I was abandoned here. I don't know where the frick my mom and Jordan went. So there's also that. Man, I just can't talk lately. We'll just put the camera down. Now we are going to Ron John Surf Shop. This house is a whole aesthetic.
Pattern.
Can we get a Ron John Surf Shop, baby?
Buy a sweatshirt. Oh, sorry.
Oh, they have the beach blankets.
Where do you see those? Oh, yeah.
I think I'm gonna get a fanny.
All right, Long John Hall.
Long John Hall.
Jordan's got the purse on.
Not Long John.
Ron John Hall. My mom got me some sweet new Vans flippity floppities. Then we got more stuff in the bag. Oh yeah, my sunglasses. I really like Cocoa Beach.
I do too. I'm glad you.
Day 3. I did not inform you on what happened last night. We're in the Airbnb now. And it is pretty dang awesome.
Turkey Point Sanctuary. We're gonna go hiking.
Do you have?
We're hiking, Mom?
Yeah, we'll go on a little hike.
So I shouldn't wear my okay.
But if you have other ideas, I'll follow your lead.
Nope, all good. Let's do it. All right. I'll catch you either in the car or at the hiking spot. Shabba dabba dibba dabba. What's going on, guys? We made it to the hike spot. I gotta put sunscreen on because my nose is a beacon. So we're coming up to the end of this little walkadoodle. Turkey Creek is what it's called, and Ryan just texted me where are all the turkeys. It's not actually Turkey Creek because of the turkeys. It's Turkey Creek because one of the names of the trees is a turkey tree. The more you know. We'll put it on screen right now. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little quiet right now because there are people and I'm a little self-conscious about talking up to people.
Oh, Gus! Shoot, he was letting you past.
I got it on camera. Now this I can get behind. Day 4. Surfing today. Mom's surfing too.
Ah!
Probably not.
Here we are at the Crispy Creek.
Are you gonna take a hat?
Oh, but you should
I
do
am.
it for a photo op.
Crispy Queen. Can I do the strawberry iced glaze? And the chocolate. Do you have no sprinkles? No sprinkles.
Down there? I did remember my wife's favorite part. Oh my God.
Zaza.
Alright, we've made it. It's time to boogie and surf. What do the judges give that?
7. Over an 8. Sorry, I said 7.
My mom thinks I suck.
I wanted you to turn
With the wave?
riding that way. Yeah,
Should I try that?
Keep laughing if you do that.
And that will wrap up that'll wrap up day, is it 3 or 4? That completes day 4. Last day. And I'm gonna sleep now. Everybody, it is our last day out here in the beauty. We gotta leave this masterpiece once and for all. I think we're going to the beach one more time, and then we're off to Orlando again. We're leaving Melbourne now, going back to Orlando, prepping to get on the plane now. It's so sad. We're gonna miss you so much, Sam and Katie. Better than an escalator.
Choke bags and gift bags. Underneath that seat in front of serve those overhead bin spaces for those large.
Holy, I'm a tomato.